Okay, this is officially the opening of the gifts. Who's that from?
Okay, chef. Papi's taking picture.
That's alright.
Are you taking pictures or video?
Video.
Yeah,
and your mom is all over the camera. Alright.
Ay, how come Ooh.
Dear Reggie and Manami, best wishes and congratulations from Auntie Rose and Uncle June, Kizones.
Cool.
Oh,
That's
thank
nice.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
New shoes.
No more shoes, Reg. No more shoes.
That's good for the house.
No more shoes.
For the house.
From Josie and Ray Angelis.
Yeah.
That's my dad's cousin.
Oh.
Reggie and Manami, congratulations and have a wonderful life together. Love, Auntie Josie, Uncle Ray, Angelis.
Oh, nice.
No more shoes, Reg.
New DVDs.
No
DVDs. That's for the house.
Okay, from Uncle Nito and Auntie Emmy.
That's your ninong.
Wow.
Dear Reggie and Manami, we're glad the two of you got back together. Your uncle and I are very happy on your special day wedding. Best wishes and have a long and good life together. Hope to see you sometimes. Love, Uncle Nito and Auntie Emmy and kids.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Need something. From the Elpides family.
What's it?
It's yeah.
Mom's coworker.
It's my mom's coworker.
Oh,
And
cousin cool.
Comadre.
Yeah.
Her son is our godson,
Oh, I see.
Jerby.
Auntie Malu.
A special wish for your wedding. A wedding is a beautiful beginning. Let's see. May our dear Lord guide you to a very loving, endless relationship. To both of you. May you always have friendship as well as passion, solitude as well as togetherness, laughter as well as wisdom and love that grows deeper with the seasons of life. Congratulations. Best wishes. Greetings from the Elpides family. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So for those of you who didn't send anything, we're waiting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Arigato.
Hello.